There's a function button in the Bernina 880 a lot of people overlook, and it's called a long stitch. So what is it really? And I'm going to give you a couple options for it. So a long stitch will actually stitch every other stitch of the pattern you've picked. Now on a straight stitch, that would mean that if it's a 2.5 millimeter stitch length, it's actually going to stitch every other one, so it'd make it a 5 millimeter long stitch length, which let's just say you went to 6 millimeters, that would mean it would sew out at 12 millimeters long. Let me just show you what that looks like on the fabric. You'll kind of hear a little different bit. It's going to be like a stitch and then it just jumps really far. Now, I've been known to try different things with decorative stitches. If you've seen me talk about our Bernina Stitching Cosmos online course, we are always up to changing the way things look. So this is what it looks like at 6 millimeters, but if we touch the eye and add the long stitch feature, now listen. So you have this kind of stitch and a hop, stitch and a hop. So then that stitch is much, much longer. So if you have been checking out our Bernina Stitching Cosmos online course, you know I love decorative stitches. And if there's fun ways that I can manipulate the stitches that are in this machine, you know that I am going to explore those. So let's play around with some of the other stitches in this machine. For example, stitch number 8, we can go in and add the long stitch to it. So because it takes out every other stitch, it will show on screen exactly how it's going to stitch. So a honeycomb stitch actually changes into a blanket stitch. Who would have thought on that one? So let's go ahead and try some other decorative stitches. Let's go to the 600s because there's a lot of stitches in these. So 601 with the long stitch is going to give us a totally different stitch. I'm going to clear that so it's not left on. Let's just go to 602. This one has a lot of stitches. Who knows what this one's going to look like? But it is, oh, kind of fun. Variegated thread is what I'm thinking. Going to have a whole new look of this pattern. So just know that when we talk about stitching out your stitch book, can you imagine if you went back through your machine and stitched out the ones, some of them aren't looking as exciting as others, but if you don't actually add it on, the long stitch function, you may never know what is available in this machine. So you're seeing what I'm doing. I'm just kind of touching it and then adding that feature in and seeing if it's a stitch I might like to sew. So the long stitch takes out every other stitch or stitches every other stitch, and see what fun stitches you can come up with. Ooh, I like that one. That one might be one I have to save. If you want to save it in your personal program, remember you can touch the heart and put it into one of your favorite folders, and then it will be saved with the settings of the long stitch. So you're kind of seeing that this looks like a basting stitch. Do note that there is an actual basting stitch number 21, and this will actually stitch every 4th stitch. So that's going to give you the most or longest length to a straight stitch. But choose the long stitch if you don't want it to be so big as the actual basting stitch.